Is bonus claims now a scam or legit? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. There's this site, bonus claims now. In here it shows you complete the steps to claim your $750 Amazon gift card. If you scroll down and click on get started, it will lead you to this link. You will need to complete all the games. Even after you complete it, you won't be able to get your gift card. And also, there is no specific contact support team or any social media related to this page. So, by looking at all the website, this website is a scam. And thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.